Hello everyone. Long time no see. Long time. Very long time. I'm gonna do some short review of Optimus Prime from Yolopark. Yolopark. I'm working on it. Yeah. It takes long time. Long time. The head. And 2 arms done. It's very detailed. Very. Too much. Actually, too much. You need patience to finish this very detailed model kit. Yeah. Very, very patient. You need to be very patient. So I just empty my mind and just keep going and going. Yeah. Left arm. I don't want to move it actually, but yeah, I'm going to show you. You can move it a little bit more. This? Yeah. I don't want to do that. Shit. Okay. It's very. They divided all the small piece, not every, but divided into very small pieces. So details good, but really tough to build. It's okay. I have a bunch of time. Yeah. No rush. Nice, eh? This one is actually it has more pieces than the perfect grade Gundam. Yeah, I bet. Yeah. All the pieces fits very well. Yeah. China, they make really good stuff these days. Yeah. They're not like just faking major company stuff or something. Yeah. They're doing really good job these days. Some weapon. Guns. And the pants. It's not pants. What is it? The pelvis. Whatever. Oh yeah. It's lots of parts. It has. I'll show you. See, really lots of parts. One part was missing. I mean, like you can see, it's D1, right? But I got 2D1. The red part has from D1 to D4. D1, D2, D3, D4, or D5. Yeah, it should have 5. I mean, it should have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it has 2, 1, and there's no D2. You know what I mean? 2D. I have 2 D1 part, but D2 part is missing. Yeah, it was a big problem. So I sent email to the Yolopark customer service or whatever. Yeah, I sent the email and they said I need a receipt or order, the cut print of order or whatever. Yeah, but I bought it from someone. I bought second hand. So there's no way I can have the receipt or order print or whatever. So I said that, and they say then I cannot get the part. That's funny. So what can I do? I just sent email again. I explained everything. So they said they can give D2 part for free, which is good, but I have to pay the shipping. They said I have to pay the shipping. So I said okay. Actually, the part D2 part is like $3. Show you. All right, this is the manual. See, this is small. D2 is a very small part. So D2 is $3. D2 part is $3. So they said they're gonna give me the part for free, but I have to pay the shipping. So I said yes. So I asked for the price for the shipping, and they said it's $29 US dollar. But I'm in Canada, so it's 39 something in Canadian dollar. Bullshit. I paid anyway. Yeah. There's no way I can get that part. So I paid $40 just for the one this part. I think their customer service really sucked. Yeah. Whether I have the receipt or not, I have the product with me. Yeah. It was new. It was completely sealed. But they don't want to send the part for free. Definitely it is their mistake, but they didn't want to fix it themselves. So it's on the way right now. Yeah, it's on the way. It should arrive today. Yeah, but I didn't get it yet. So I have some kind of bad experience. So keep that in mind. When you buy a product from Yolopark, make sure it has all the parts in there, and keep the order receipt or whatever. Yeah. Actually, I've been building the model kits for like decades, like 30, 40, over 30 years. Actually, I never had this kind of problem before. Yeah, this is the first time. The missing part. First time. And they didn't want to fix it. They want me to pay for the shipping. $40 shipping. For $3 piece. Dang it. Yeah, anyway, I'm still working on it. Yeah. Not much information for the kit today, sorry. This one, Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, Yolopark. Shit. Yeah, the robot itself is really cool. Right? Very detailed and very cool. Oh, yeah. If you want to buy this one from Canada, the price would be around the 200 to 50 around there. But actually, I got it from Korea. I visited Korea this summer. I bought it from someone else. So I bought it like 120. Yeah. But I paid 40 for the parts, so total I paid still lower than buying it in Canada. Yeah. Yeah. I'm still working on it. It's very, very tough. Very long journey. Yeah. Yeah. Still long way to go. Very long way to go. So, yeah. This is the first Yolopark Optimus Prime review. Yeah. And I'm gonna do it again soon. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.